Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to use this Caulk gun and how to open this Caulk tube. So let's start. So I have purchased this Caulk gun and you just have to look for the basics in this gun. Just it will go back like this. So as you can see, this goes back here. So you just have to use the basics. So this will go back, and if you scroll this up and do it will push the Caulk tube. So let's start. And it also has a sprout cutter here, so that is good. So let's start. So we will first do it like this. So you have to just insert the Caulk tube here at a 45-degree angle here like this, and just use the Caulk cutter, and you can see it's done. It has been cut at a 45-degree angle. Now here there's a pin. You have to take this pin out like this, and you have to puncture this tube, so like this, and you can see it's done. And the Caulk tube has been punctured, and you can just remove this, and you can take this back here like this, and you can just load it like this now, and it's done. And now you can apply it. So you will see. So now it's done. So you just have to see where it comes. See, now it will go on. So now it's coming, the Caulk is coming, and it can go on. You just have to remove it. So you can remove it here, and you push it back, and that's it. Also, if you want to lock this, if you are not using this Caulk tube anymore, if you want to lock this tube, there are two ways. You can use this thing which is called a cap, and you can just insert like this. You can just basically insert it like this, and it will lock the gun and the tube here. And when you want to use it, you can just remove this like this, and you can use it. Or else, the more cheaper way, because I have those, I used it. If you don't have these things, you can just wrap a plastic around it, and if you have like a electrical cap, you can round it off here on the tip, or else you can just plastic wrap around it, and that's it, and you can keep it. Make sure not to keep it in very cold place, as it will get dried up. So keep it like in the normal room temperature thing, and it will be good. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this, then please like, comment, share and subscribe.